Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a Project. So James and I are in the backyard setting up our GreenStalk vertical garden planter. We're going to assemble it and get it all planted up. So we are tackling this project together. And I'm also doing a seed giveaway contest. So if you'd like to enter the contest for a chance to win this one pack of organic bush bean seeds, stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll tell you how to enter. So we knew we wanted to place the GreenStalk out in the garden space, not on our porch or anything, so we knew we needed a level base for it to sit on. Now, just trying to use what I had, I put down some of this lawn soil, kind of tamped that down, and we just realized that sand would work so much better. So we went out to Lowe's and purchased step 1 and step 2 of this paver base, and it worked out fantastic. So we got that down, tamped it down, leveled it up. And then we also cut a piece of weed barrier or landscaping fabric to fit over top of the sand, in between the sand and the pavers so that no grass was growing up in the cracks of the pavers. Then we laid the pavers back down and made sure everything was nice and level. So now we can put together the GreenStalk. Now this one is the 5-tier or 5-level GreenStalk, which means it has 5 of these 6-pocket planters. Now you want to fill each one at a time as you stack them one on top of the other. Now you can see here we're just using a container mix. You can use your favorite container or potting mix and fill up each one of these planters, making sure not to get soil inside the hole there in the center. And James was finding it a little tricky to do and not get it in the hole and not spill the soil everywhere, but we managed to get it done. And then once the potting mix is in, you take these gray watering discs. The 5-tier comes with 4, and then you just place one right on the top. And then you will just place the second level or second tier of the planter right on top. It just kind of fits right into place, and then you can just fill your second tier. Now when filling the next level, James and I get a little smart and we cap the hole. Now this cap, I've seen this trick done on another gardening YouTube channel that I like to watch, and it works out fantastic. So you just cap the hole, it keeps soil from coming in down in that hole and clogging it, and that cap can be found in the package when you purchase a mover base for your GreenStalk planter. So once you get all of the soil in there, you can just remove that little cap, and it's really not supposed to be for that purpose, but it works out great. And then we just add on that gray watering disc and then just keep on building our GreenStalk till we get to the top. So now it's time to add on the top piece, the final piece, which is the large water reservoir. It just kind of fits right into place, and there you'll be able to add the water to evenly water all of the different levels. So now it's time to clean up my space and get to planting up the GreenStalk. So I'm going to plant my entire GreenStalk planter with bush beans. So I have 3 packs of bush beans here. This first pack are organic green bush beans. They came with this GreenStalk planter when I purchased it. So it was like a free gift, which was nice. Now you can see here they suggest to plant 3 seeds evenly spaced about 1.5 inch deep in each of your pockets. So that's what I'm going to do. Now here, these in my gardener seeds, I purchased these this year. These are jade bush beans, so I'm really excited to grow those. And these already opened, I had them left over from last year. These are blue lake bush beans from Burpees, and you can see here on the back, I'm supposed to plant them in my area May through July. So I want to start with the newest seeds first. The ones that I had left over from last year, I'll plant those last because older seeds sometimes do not germinate as well as newer seeds. Now, if you do the simple math, 3 seeds per pocket, there's 30 pockets, that's 90 bean plants. So I'm really excited to get a large harvest. So planting 3 seeds per pocket, I'll just use my finger and press them down 1 to 1.5 inch deep, and then just lightly cover them with the soil, and then just kind of press them lightly to make sure that the seed and the soil have good contact with one another. So to make it easy on myself, I went ahead and just laid out all of my seeds on top of the soil in each pocket. This will make sure that I don't double plant the pocket and have 6 bean seeds in this one pocket. So I just laid them all out. I can plant them, and as I go from one pocket to the next and I don't see any bean seeds, I'll know that I've already planted that pocket. Now I planted the newest seeds first, but it wasn't enough, and as I got closer to the top, I had to use some of the seeds from last year. Now I should still get germination, but maybe not as good as the newer seeds down below. So I planted 4 seeds in each of those pockets to make sure that I have 3 seeds that germinate and at least have 3 bean plants in each pocket. So now that all of my seeds are planted, I can go ahead and water everything in. Now you want to just water them over the top like this because they're little seeds, they don't have roots, and until they germinate, you really want to keep them moist so they will germinate well and not dry out. And then once I see that they have little seedlings growing and I know that they have formed a root system that can take up water, then I can water from the watering feature that the GreenStalk has. So once your seedlings are growing and their roots are able to take up water in the soil, you can see here on the top is the water reservoir. So that top line, because I have the 5-tier planter, I can just fill up the top, and that water will drain down through the holes here in this reservoir, and it will just water the entire planter tier by tier all the way down, which makes it really nice. So you may have noticed I chose not to use the mover base in this location because I'm not going to be moving it around. Now, if you was to plant yours up and use it on your patio, porch, driveway, or deck somewhere you can move it around, yes, get the mover base, because once this is planted up, filled with soil, assembled, and you have it watered in, it could weigh close to 150 pounds, so very hard to move it around without using a mover base. In this location, I get full sun all the way around the planter, so again, I really did not need to use the mover base. So guys, I guess that's it for this project. If you'd like to purchase a GreenStalk for yourself, you can use my promo code LIFE10 at checkout to receive $10 off your GreenStalk purchase. And I'll put a link down in the video description below if you'd like to check it out. And guys, don't forget about the giveaway contest. If you'd like to enter for a chance to win 1 pack of organic Blue Lake bush beans, you can make sure you comment below this video, and you also want to make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So just hit that subscribe button and comment down below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So guys, I thank you so much for watching. James says bye as well, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.